It wasn't that long ago. Those storms that rolled through Globe at the end of September, they were just devastating. Officials say it was the worst flooding in 100 years for Globe, nearly destroying the downtown area.
Yeah, but after all that hardship, Globe saw a little bit of good today. La Casita Cafe opened back up to a packed house 48 days after the floods knocked them out of business. The Mexican restaurant has been serving Globe since 1947, and they say that they are relieved to be back open.
We're happy that we're open because I'll tell you, the first day we walked in there, I thought we were going to be shut down for months because of the devastation. We had about 5.5 feet of water in our building.
YNE says they had to undergo major repairs, including repainting the whole restaurant and digging out all the mud that had flowed in. Thankfully, they had volunteers that were constantly helping with that cleanup job.